Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Thing. In this video, we are going to learn about what is slicing in tuple. Let's get into the computer screen and let's get started. Now I am inside my VS Code and I will create a tuple here. So I'll write here t is equals to, let's say I will store 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I want to slice the tuple. So slicing means obtaining a range of element from this tuple. So I will write a print function here, and inside it I will write t of, I will write a pair of square bracket, and inside it I will specify, let's say the starting index is 2 and the end index is 7. Okay, so now it will start from second index and goes till 6 index. Okay, that means the one less than the specified index. Okay, so now if I run this file, then you can see it is printing from 3 to 7. Okay, that means it is starting from second index. You can see here, this is 0th index, this is first index, this is second index, and it will go till 6th index. So 6th index means 7. Okay, this is the 6th index. So you can specify the step value here also. If I write here step value, then I need to write here another colon, and let's say I will specify the step value as 3. Okay, and now if I run this file again, then you can see it is printing 3,6. Okay, that means it will skip the value, that means it will skip 3 values in between 2 elements. Okay, so tuple also supports negative indexing, or we can slice the tuple using negative index also. I will comment this print statement and I will write another print function here, and inside it I'll write t of, let's say I'll write here -1. Okay, -1 and then colon. So what is the meaning of this -1? So -1 means it will access the element from the last. Okay, that means it will access the last element. So now I will clear the terminal. So let's run this file. Then you can see it is printing 9. Okay, that means -1 means it is the last index. So now if I write here, it is as a -1, and if I specify here, let's say a -7, and now if I run this file, then you can see it is printing an empty tuple. Okay, so here I need to specify the direction or the step value as -1. Then it will start from -1 and it will go in the reverse direction. Okay, so now if I run this file, then you can see it is starting from 9 and goes till 4 in the reverse direction. Okay, so now if I write a print function here, and inside it I'll write t of colon and another colon and -1. Now I will comment the previous print statement, and let me clear the terminal. Now if I run this file, then you can see it is reverse the tuple. Okay, you can see here 9, 8, 7 up to 1. That means this tuple is getting reversed. Okay, so using this one line of statement, you can reverse a tuple. Okay, so this is basically known as the slicing. You can slice a tuple, or you can obtain any range of element from a given tuple using this kind of syntax. Okay, this is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.